this is Katina, and in this video I am going to show you how to play the third octave of the chromatic scale. So we're going to go from this E right here over the break to the altissimo E at the top. If you haven't gotten here yet, go back to the chromatic scale 1 octave video and then the chromatic scale 2 octave video, and now we're on the third octave right here. So we're going to build it into pieces. This is really important when learning all scales and all music actually, but especially for the chromatic scale. It's a lot of notes and it's kind of intimidating, so we're breaking it down. This video is just that top octave. We are also going to break this octave of the chromatic scale into groups of 5 notes. Let me show you what I mean. We're going to start here on E. You want your thumb down in the back and the register. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So there's your E right there. Then you're going to lift up your second finger for F natural, and then you're going to drop your third finger onto that sliver key for F sharp. Make sure you use the forks for these chromatic scales. Lift up F sharp to G, and then you're going to put your pinky down right here for G sharp. Staying on that G sharp, we're going to lift up your bottom 2 fingers for the A, put down that sliver key with your third finger for the A sharp, lift up those 2 fingers, your second and your third finger for the B natural, and then lift up your index finger for the C. Starting on the C, you're going to drop your bottom 2 fingers in your top hand, 2 and 3, and your first 2 fingers in your lower hand, 1, 2, for C sharp. Then you're going to lift up your second finger in your right hand, and at the same time drop your pinky down on the top E flat key for the D. This is altissimo D. Put your third finger down for the sliver on D sharp, and then you're going to lift up those 2 fingers, which are 1 and 3, for the landing on the E. And that is your third octave going up. I'm going to play it all together for you nice and slowly so you can see the fingerings, and then we'll talk about going down. Going down, we're still going to break it into the groups of 5 to help us learn it better. But this time, instead of speaking in sharps on the way up, we're going to speak in flats on the way down. So we're starting on E right here. And as a reminder, you have your thumb and your register, no index finger, 2 and 3 right there, and your E flat key for E. Then you're going to drop your right hand first finger and third finger to the ring above, and then that sliver key. So it goes E, E flat, lift up the sliver for D, drop your second and lift up your pinky for D flat right there. We know this is C sharp on the way up, and then lift up everything except for your thumb and your register key for C as your landing point for this group of 5. As you've noticed, I'm going to articulate on the way down. So we slur on the way up and we tongue on the way down in Virginia where I'm doing this. So whatever articulations that work best for you or what your requirements are for your state, go ahead and put those articulations in there. All right, we have landed on C, thumb and register in the back. You're going to drop that index finger on your left hand for the B, your second and your third fingers dropping onto that hole below the B, and the sliver key for B flat. You're going to lift up your sliver key for A, and you're going to drop your third and your pinky for A flat as your landing place right there. Now, you're starting on the A flat right there. You're going to lift up your pinky to move to a G, drop your index finger and your third finger for the top ring in your right hand and your sliver key, and that takes you to G flat. We also know this as F sharp. You're going to lift up the sliver key with your third finger for an F natural, and then you're going to drop your second finger onto the ring below your index finger for E. I'm going to play that whole thing starting at the top and going down. And that is your third octave of the chromatic scale in the clarinet. Comments, questions, post them below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that clarinet hand icon so that you subscribe to not miss any more videos. Happy clarinetting. Bye.